Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. First click on curves adjustment layer. Make sure you are not selecting the layer mask. After that click on auto options. Then click on find dark and light colors option, and now click on shadows and select the background color of shadows. After that select the highlights colors. I think orange looks much better, little lighter. That's better. Click on OK after you selected the color. Click on OK. Now click on no, because we are not saving these colors as default. And now I am adjusting its contrast. Guys, make sure that the background image and the foreground image should have same level of contrast and same level of luminosity. This image really blends with the background. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.